Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. Let's open up Outlook by clicking on the Start button, going to All Programs, finding Microsoft Office, and selecting Microsoft Office Outlook. Once Outlook opens, we want to go to the Calendar area. To do so, just select Calendar. I'm going to select the month view. And here's our Microsoft Outlook calendar. Let's say we want to schedule a meeting for Friday the 19th. To do so, just right-click on the 19th and select New Appointment. This untitled appointment is going to be our meeting. Let's say, talk about using Microsoft Outlook. We can give it a description as well. To save your meeting, just say Save and Close. Our new meeting now appears on Friday the 19th. It's that easy to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Outlook. My name is Dave Andrews, and I just showed you how to schedule a meeting using Microsoft Outlook.